Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And it's been a long time since I've made a video, but okay, we'll leave that, the problems I had, and we'll get back to the video. And in the previous video, we learned how we can read data from Firebase. So when we say about Firebase CRUD, create, read, update and delete, we have done creation, we have done reading. So in this video we'll delete data. So you can see here that I have 5 datas here which I am calling from the Firebase, and what I have to do is I have to delete them when I press this delete button. So you might see some of the UI changes which I have done. So if you compare it to the previous video, I just made some UI changes to make it better. Okay, so this is our button here, delete one. So I'll just go to this button and I have made this to do here that we have to implement our delete functionality here. Okay, so I won't be writing the code right here exactly. I'll be copy pasting it so that it saves my time as well as your time, because you just have to copy my code, okay, and understand it along way. So firstly what we'll do is that we'll go up and create a collection reference, that this is our collection from which we are referring to the data. Okay, so to create a collection reference, this will be our code. Collection reference will be the data type. Variable I'm taking here is data ref, and firebase firestore dot instance dot collection, my the collection name. So here I have taken the UID of the user as the collection name, so that I'm passing here as a string variable. Okay, so this is our collection reference created, so I'll delete that to do. So now our work is to create the delete function. Okay, so now to create our delete functionality, this will be our code. Future of type void, name will be delete user, and we'll take in an input of ID, the ID of the collection, right? And we'll return data reference, basically that we are referring to, dot doc ID, and we have to delete it. Okay, so this is the main function which is done. We'll just remove that to do, and now we have to implement it. Okay, so now we'll go down implementation. So here our code will be we'll be calling the delete user, and as the ID we will pass our store docs, and I is the index number here, and this ID is the parameter we are calling, the ID parameter from the store docs. If you do not know what is store docs here, then you should see my past videos. This is the code of the store docs where we are getting a final list here, and in that, from the snapshot, we are calling all the data of the document, and which is of the type document snapshot, and then later we are mapping it in a variable a, and using that a in store docs list, we are adding all the information we have on the document. Okay, so this is our store docs functionality. So we'll save that code and we'll try deleting let's say text one false. Okay, it's deleted. So let's also do one thing, that after this is done, dot then we will add, and we'll add a we'll add a snack bar. Okay, so here is the code for snack bar. I'll copy it, and here I have to change it to deleted. Okay, yeah. So now let's delete this one. Text will be 1 2 and value is true. I'll delete it, and it says deleted. Okay, so this was our deleting functionality. That's it, very simple. You just have to copy the code, very easy. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and in the next video we'll do our last step of the Firebase CRUD, which is updating the data. So I find this a little bit confusing, but yes, we'll go through it properly and I'll explain every bit of it in detail. So yes, see you in the next one, and I hope you have subscribed the channel and also liked the video, because all of the doubts, all of the updates of Flutter creating languages can be found on this channel. If you want any specific video on some other topic, you can just comment it down below, and my next video will be coming up for you. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, keep programming. Bye bye.
Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing